back to another special edition of True Mix Masters present True Tuesdays. My name is Quentin Coles. I got a moniker, aka Mixmaster Q, aka your favorite bartender's favorite bartender when bartending. This week we got another special edition. We're gonna teach you how to make a special cocktail. We're gonna take an old recipe and give it a twist. We're gonna teach you how to make a chocolate martini. Let's jump into the recipe that it takes to make a chocolate martini. We have whipped vodka, Bailey's Irish cream, Frangelico, hazelnut, and we have cream de cocoa. And actually, we're gonna have half and half to accompany it. We got our drink out of the way. Let's make this bad boy. Step to this recipe that you didn't see. So we actually took some Hershey's chocolate, chopped it up, and spread it around the rim. And now we have our chocolate martini coated. Making this drink, we're gonna take a half of Pinnacle Whip, a half of Bailey's Irish cream, a half of Frangelico, which is hazelnut, a half of cream de cocoa, and then we're gonna follow that up with a little bit of half and half. Now it's shaking time. Now we have our ingredients shaken. We're just gonna transfer it to our glass. And that's, my friends, how you make the perfect chocolate martini. Thank you again for tuning in to another special edition of True Mix Masters present True Tuesdays. This is where we try to bring you a different drink each and every Tuesday. Feel free to look us up on our social media platforms. We on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Like and subscribe. And the next week, stay true, my friends.